Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. What's up, my peeps? If you like my content, please share and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single episode. I'm going to do a quick video on chocolate chip cookie dough mix, how to cut it and place it on your pan so it comes out good every single time. Let's get into it. Start by removing the plastic, which is easier said than done. There we go. Well. Okay, now we're going to start by cutting it. That should look something like that. Now I'm going to place my cookie dough that I just cut onto the pan. Okay, so these cookies are done. The roll of cookie dough was about $2.59 at my local store. 350 degrees, I preheated the oven. And it took about 10 minutes, and then I let them cool. These things are phenomenal. These things taste great. Alrighty. Like the video? Thumbs it up. Appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.